In standard tuning, the open strings on a 5-string bass are tuned to B, E, A, D, and G. If you play a 5-string bass, these are the notes for each of the previous scale positions for the 5th or low string. These are also the same notes you would use on the 6th string of a 6-string bass. In standard tuning, the open strings on a 6-string bass are tuned to B, E, A, D, G, and C. The low strings on a 6-string bass are the same as the low notes of a 5-string bass. The image on the screen shows the first string notes for each of the previous positions for a 6-string bass guitar.